Hi, today I want to talk to you about SQL Connect. SQL Connect is a fantastic tool to be able to query data from the Oracle Fusion Cloud. As a developer, my first top feature is that I just want to be able to run some SQL, and then secondly, I then want to be able to export that data into Excel. So just in a couple of clicks, I can then do that. And then when I'm developing my queries, what I wanted to know is what tables and what columns. We then have a very advanced table browser that you can then use in order to then search for your tables and then the columns within that. And then to help you, we then have this fantastic feature called IntelliSense. And what IntelliSense will do, when you start typing, it will then prompt you for those tables and then the columns that then allows you to then create your query a lot quicker. Now, the last important thing is that then you develop security. So we then have advanced table level security that's then built into the product, and also we use the security that you then have within your Oracle Fusion Cloud. Thank you, and all in all, it's a fantastic product that I think is an absolute must-have. I use it almost every day, and it's an essential tool when developing queries for the Oracle Fusion Cloud.